Hello, my name is Murielle and I'm 22 years old. I'm here to talk about Grace Organization and how the specific name comes in my mind and why did I decide to go with this name. I grew up in Haiti, have been always, this is where I live, and I started being in the orphanage at 2010. It all started when my mom then had the opportunity to take care of me and she had no choice instead of giving me a better life or at least a better future that she didn't have. I was 10 years old when all it started. My dad did not decide to pay anything when it comes to nor school, nor food, anything. I remember I had to go days without eating with me and my mom. And when she knew that it was possible for me to be in the orphanage, she didn't have any choice to do that. So I grew up there and I met an amazing and a lot of people there. I started really knowing who I am at 2015 when I finally saw my dad and acting, and he acted the way that he didn't know me specifically out of all his children. And when I decided to talk with Dad about my mom started telling me all the backstories about how it happened and why it happened. Having this story, I decided to call it Grace Organization because seeing who I am now and seeing who I used to be, it's all depends on grace. It's all by the grace of God. What we do in Grace Organization is I am kind of like working now, so pretty much my money goes to really the fund that we're trying to have. We buy books, we kind of like buy everything that the kids will be using in school. It's exciting and it's amazing knowing that you have somebody that kind of like have the same mindset as you to work with, which is still now. And a lot of kids in the Haitian movies, they might have the kids and helping the kids serving the area of where they live about what to do in a community, how they're supposed to do it. And I am really, really excited and can't wait to see all the amazing stuff that God has in store for us. It was a pleasure meeting you guys and knowing about me. So bye.